Here I've got Honor 20 and let me show you how to change the wallpaper on the following device. So at first let's find and open the settings. Then go to the home screen and wallpaper, and now select the source that you would like to pick your wallpaper from. So it can be magazine unlock album, themes, or one from the wallpapers. So let me pick the third option, wallpaper album. Now select the picture that you would like to have as your wallpaper. Let me pick, for example, this one. And now if you truly want to set it as your wallpaper, simply click on this confirmation icon. Finally, decide if this picture should cover just your lock screen, your home screen, or both of them. So let me pick both. Give your device a few seconds. And from now on, your brand new wallpaper is covering both your home screen and also the lock screen. So that's it. This is how you can easily change the wallpaper on your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.